Congratulations to everyone who successfully cracked UGC NET exam. I see you, I feel you, and I love you. And to all the people who are not able to make it to the top and were not able to crack NET exam, bro, I see you too. I love you, I can feel you. I'm one of the guys who was not able to clear UGC NET exam, and so I can understand the thing you are feeling inside. See, there are over 7 lakh candidates and over 5 lakh candidates were not able to make it. Some 1 lakh or people I just saw the scorecard, and I saw like 5,000 people got the chance to became eligible for their position to be assistant professors. Above 55 or 54,000 people were able to get their seat in JRF and assistant professor, and for like 1 lakh some amount got their chance to do their PhD. Okay, so this is the analytics of the scorecard, and yeah, like this is what happens, see, you don't have to be disappointed or anything. Like NET exam happens like twice in a year, right? If you are not able to make it to this time, like you have so many opportunities ahead of you, so go for it. You don't have to worry much about how much you are going to get or anything. Just keep going. Okay, and about those who successfully finished, see guys, this is all about luck. As I said before, this is not about talent. Like CVT exam, as I said before, is like that. CVT or NET exam, like you cannot judge a student like by an MCQ based question, like yeah, that's the reality. Like I know that there will be people who will come with other things, but the fact that I truly believe is that UGC NET exam and CVT exam or any kind of exam that is based on multiple choice questions doesn't actually it's not like the rest. So for those who are not able to make it, I just wanted to say I love you guys. Like you are the best, and I want you to succeed in the next time. Okay, so those who passed, you definitely earned your opportunity to get your seat in JRF or become assistant professors, and no hard feelings for you guys. You guys earned your opportunity, I would say. So yeah, so that's all. And about whether I have seen my results or not, guys, I haven't seen my results yet. Yeah, I'm assuming that I will not be able to crack NET exam, and that's what I said. I haven't even when the answer key was launched I didn't even check my answer key too, so I'm still, I don't know, like I have cracked exam or not, but I think that I wasn't able to make it, because I don't know, anything can happen. Let's see, the cutoff marks is like 166 for general and 140 for SC ST, and I haven't saw the other. This is about English, okay, mind you. And yeah, so that's all. So if you have checked your answer scripts, do let me know how much you got, and if you have anything to ask or say, you can feel free to share what you want to say. And that's all, guys. I just wanted to make this video because I made so many videos on UGC NET and spoke a lot of stuff, so I challenged a lot of people and said this and that, so it all comes to an end when the results come out. So it finally did. So yeah, that's all. Thank you so much for watching.